Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and you may have seen my Star Wars treat box from the other day, so I thought I would make a more generic type of treat box that can be really utilized for any occasion. Many of the treats from that video are the same, however, I am presenting it in different ways. So here what I'm doing is I'm starting to make the little Reese cups or peanut butter cups, whatever you want to call them, and I'm basically making a filling. A lot of these recipes I have made before or similar things, so I will be posting the links down to those recipe tutorials down in the description box below. I will also be posting any other additional little tidbits that I add in here. So what I'm doing is I'm using my favorite sphere mold and putting in some melted dark chocolate into those spheres, and then I popped it into the freezer, let it set, and then I'm adding in this peanut butter filling. Then I'm putting some chocolate over top. Now I don't put chocolate on top of all of them because I'm going to utilize the other ones as decoration for my cupcakes. Those will set up very quickly in the fridge, about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, now moving along to this dreamy peanut butter frosting. It is so good. You guys know me though, if you've watched any of my videos before. I don't normally like American buttercreams, but this American buttercream is an exception because that peanut butter offers such a light and fluffy note to it. Now I did dye this frosting for that Star Wars video that I put out earlier, but honestly I would just leave it that color if I had the choice. Taking this dark chocolate cupcake, I'm going to just do a little piping with my round tip. Because I'm going to be dunking these into the chocolate jimmies, I am not going to be too picky about my piping. I just want to make sure that I have good coverage. You could easily just leave it like that, looking like a little chocolate peanut butter snowball, but you know me, I love adding a little bit of glamour, a little bit of whim to my cupcakes. It took everything I had in me not to add a gold splatter or a bunch of gold sugar pearls on top of this. I really want this box to just have a homemade, delicious feel. You'll notice when I'm icing these mini cupcakes that I'm not peeking up that top. This is something I learned when I was working at a bakery where I just kind of swoop it to the side. It makes it a lot easier to pack in boxes when you have it like this, especially if your box is kind of flat. Moving along to this chocolate ganache. Now this chocolate ganache is very pipeable. Sometimes if you use different ganache ratios, you don't get that pipeable frosting. So this one is a 2-to-1 ratio. So for example, if I use 200 grams of chocolate chips, I use 100 grams of whipping cream. Unlike other ganache recipes, I also like to add in some room temperature butter, and I just kind of generously add that in. I find it makes it really nice and shiny and just adds that little sumptuous note to the ganache. My friend sells a very similar cupcake at her bakery, but hers is rolled in chocolate flakes. So I did want to add on an additional chocolate note to this, so I'm just adding on this 85% dark chocolate. In addition to the cupcakes and those mini cupcakes and those little chocolate Reese cups, I also have some bite-sized brownies and a brownie slab that I am adding into these treat boxes. Don't worry, like I said before, all of the recipes are going to be posted in the description box below, or it may lead you to other videos where I've actually made full videos on those recipes. Treat boxes are becoming more and more on trend right now, especially with what's going on in the world, so it's a lot easier to go to your local bakery and just pick up a box instead of having to point out what you would like, and usually the boxes are filled with the bakery's best stuff. But you could just save yourself the trip and make your own treat boxes like I did. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!